DJI has just rewritten the rulebook with the all-new DJI Avata 3, a drone so advanced, it blurs the line between human skill and artificial intelligence. We're talking about a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, 6K 60 frames per second cinematic video, next-gen AI flight core, and real vision stabilization that makes every shot look straight out of a movie. Add to that a redesigned carbon fiber body, 20-kilometer range, and the most immersive flying experience ever, and it's clear, DJI hasn't just upgraded the Avata, they've evolved it. In this video, we're breaking down everything, from design and specs to price, release date, and how the Avata 3 is setting a new benchmark for FPV drones. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Because this isn't just another release. This is the moment FPV flight enters the future. The FPV world is about to change forever, and the reason is simple. DJI has done it again. The upcoming DJI Avata 3 isn't just a sequel to one of the most loved FPV drones ever made. It's a complete evolution of what first-person flying can be. After the massive success of the Avata 2, many wondered how DJI could possibly top it. But the leaks, insider reports, and prototype footage suggest that the Avata 3 will redefine everything from control precision and camera quality to AI-assisted flight and safety. This is not just a new FPV drone. This is a full-blown revolution designed to blur the line between human creativity and machine intelligence. From the upgraded image sensor and ultra-wide FOV camera to its improved aerodynamic frame, the DJI Avata 3 feels like the future of immersive flight, a drone built for creators, professionals, and FPV purists alike. The story of the Avata 3 begins with design, because DJI has completely reimagined the shape and structure of the drone. The new chassis features a lightweight carbon fiber composite frame that's 20% lighter and 30% stronger than before, giving pilots better control and resilience during high-speed maneuvers. The signature duct propeller design is still here but redesigned with enhanced curvature for smoother airflow and reduced noise. DJI has also rebalanced the weight distribution, moving the battery and core electronics to create a more stable center of gravity, which means better control in tight spaces and reduced drift during rapid acceleration. The Avata 3 isn't just built for performance, it's engineered for freedom. With its sleeker build and improved wind resistance, it handles outdoor flying like never before, gliding through air currents with minimal resistance and maximum agility. Powering this beast is DJI's new Cine Core 3.0 processing engine, paired with a next-gen 1-inch CMOS stacked sensor, a monumental leap from the Avata 2's 1/1.3-inch setup. This means richer detail, improved low-light performance, and up to 6K 60 frames per second video recording with 10-bit D-Log M color profile. DJI has clearly aimed to give FPV pilots cinematic control usually reserved for larger drones like the Mavic 4 Pro. The upgraded sensor captures 14 stops of dynamic range, making it possible to shoot stunning night flights, sunrise chases, or indoor runs with perfect exposure and color accuracy. Paired with DJI's new O4 Plus transmission system, the Avata 3 delivers an unprecedented 20 km range and 240 milliseconds ultra-low latency when paired with the new DJI Goggles 3 Pro, giving pilots near-instant feedback with crystal-clear visuals. The goggles